Yeah.
We're having people coming to book as ahead as 2029. Every time wanasema
bookings.
Bookings. Wameanza kubook. Vijana wanafurahia kazi sana. So I want to book this year, so we are waiting.
Yes. Hello. How are you?
So these are some of our designers.
Welcome.
He's the designer.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir. Where you saw we have done some excavation because we are building a road up to this level. Yes.
Okay. Very good. Asante. Okay, gentlemen. Mwezi wa 10. Okay. Okay. So unafanya shift ya mchana, kuna mwingine?
Nafanya shift ya mchana mingi.
Shift ya usiku. Okay. Yep. So naona mmekazana mbaya sana.
Nakazana.
Hiyo mzuri sana. Azi? Mnang'ang'ana? Hata mimi nang'ang'ana mbaya sana. Very good. I'm very happy mmenisaidia. Hii kazi mumeisukuma kweli. Na pongezi. You guys are doing a good job. Mnafanya kazi mzuri.
This side.
Bari mungwana. Very good.
We are starting the roof work up here above. So these woods are temporary.
Okay.
Za kutembea. Yes, sir.
Oh, to enable people to move around.
Yes, to move above. But now it can be separated into 6 partitions. So in case somebody
So this can be split into 4.
Into 6.
Into 6.
6 partitions.
Kwa salama?
Niko salama.
Very good. Unang'ang'ana na kibarua hapa? Ni aje? Kwa sawa? Amna kama good. Very good. Hello.
Yeah, it's old building.
Yes. We keep the old thing, but we modernize it. Ndio. Sawa. Haya.
Pulley system. Inasonga kidogo inajoiniwa. Inasonga kidogo inajoiniwa. Yes. So it's massive.
Talanta is just there. Yes, you can see.
Very good. How are you guys? Mambo?